Good morning class. So today we are going to discuss about your fifth unit first lesson, a trip to Andaman. So children used to go for another states or countries for tourists so that they can enjoy in that places by seeing the surroundings. So this here there is a one family, the boy, and he is telling that our daddy got a leave after a long days and we are planned to go for Andaman this year, and soon after completion of examinations on 25th April this we got our mother had done all the preparations, and we caught a Pinakini Express at Vijayawada, and we arrived at Chennai at 1 p.m. and we have done our lunch and we went to the Port Blair, and we went on to the ship, and the ship is four-storied and the ship is bigger than our school building, and it is a big ship. And what happened is that there are restaurants and all in that ship, and all the people in that ship are waved their hands and cheering that they used to meet, they are coming to meet the sisters and brothers and the relatives, and my sister Amala and me also cheered and waved our hands, and our parents looked at us by smiling. And after that we have seen the surroundings, and there are many type of fishes and all, and we went inside the ship, and outside there is darkness, but inside they are very much beautiful lights and all their restaurants and all. We came and we closed the doors, and there is no movement of the ship while closing the door, because if we closed all the doors, we are not able to get the movement of the ship. And after that we went to some of the places. The first place is Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park. So in this Marine National Park we have seen the dolphins swimming in that, and that is the tortoises, turtles and all are in that park only, and we have enjoyed a lot by seeing the dolphins and all. And we have we have eaten the samosas, garam chai and all we have done. And after that we went to the Havelock Island. So I asked my father about this island, and he said that okay, I know about little. There are many islands, and there are people used to live there, and they are that is there is one big jail. The British people have done that jail, and it is no more a jail, it is a jail for some days, and it has converted into a big hospital. And it is now also it is up there, and it is very beautiful place with a big buildings. And after that scuba diving. So generally in Discovery Channel, and also we will see that the people, they put this oxygen type cylinder on the back, and they wear a different type of dress, and they drive on the sea. That this is called scuba diving. They used to see that the fishes and different type of sharks and all, not sharks, small turtles and also, and they used to swim with them. So this is type of enjoyment many people used to do. And there are some cabin people and all, and some doctors also who are treating the that is who have the water sickness or sea sickness. And there are some restaurants who are where the people are eating, and there are some salons also where these people are coming and cutting their hair and shaving. And the last one is elephant rider on the beach. So after that they went to the beach, and the beach name is Radhanagar beach. So it is beautiful. So it is a beautiful place with white sand and the greenery. So the people in that beach, the men in that beach is upon the elephant, and they are going on that elephant. And the man says that if you want a ride on this elephant, you should pay some money and you should have a ride. Then Mimi and my sister Amala rided on that elephant, and we are enjoyed a very much this trip. And it is a we have done, that is we have eaten a tandoori fish and other seafoods on that islands. So when I tell about that experiences, my mouth waters now also, because it is a very good experience. So I that the food is very delicious, and I have enjoyed a lot, and I in my lifetime I will not forget this Andaman trip the boy is telling. And this is all about the trip to Andaman. Hope you understand. Thank you.